Hi everybody, it's Alexandra Baker, your home BFF, and we are going in my closet. Not because it's like, oh, it's not one of those closets. No, it's a simple walk-in closet. I share it with my hubby, but I wanted to give you some organization tips. First of all, you cannot organize your closet without Wonder Hanger. I cannot imagine life without Wonder Hanger. What is Wonder Hanger, you might ask? Well, Wonder Hanger, they are these hangers where they have the little slots there and I can hang my clothing. And then obviously if it's clothing that I'm not, reaching for every day, I can just collapse it just like that. And you see, it gives me way more room in my closet and I can actually see what I have. See, I can pull it back this way. Another tip in organizing your closet is go ahead and put your outfits together. I really like having my outfits already put together, the slacks with the different tops. It just makes getting dressed a little bit faster. I have found I do like color coding, keeping certain colors. All my white, I do have a lot of white clothing. All my white dresses are together. Drop that down, move that over. I would like to dedicate this hanger right here to my good friend, Crystal. Crystal calls me Barbie Princess or something like that. And she always says something about my Barbie Princess clothes. And then one day I was looking at everything and I thought, oh my God, she's right. These are Barbie Princess clothes. Love them. Don't get to wear them all the time. But the main thing you need are the Wonder Hangers. Then I have my bags up top. These are our Accents Rain bags, my Accents Rain bags that just came out. I'm very excited. But all of my other bags, I do keep in their individual dust covers. I do like the dust covers on my bags. These are outfits that I wear like every day, easy access. And I do hang my bras, not all my panties, but most of my prettier bras and my lingerie, I always hang. What do I have here? Oh, this is all swimsuits. Now, I know that there are girls that have like 50, 60, 70 swimsuits. I am not one of those people. I prefer to have a smaller number of things and get new swimsuits. Look how fun that is. My husband selected this for me for Christmas. We thought we were going to the Hard Rock around Valentine's, and then all this COVID stuff started happening. But anyway, so I prefer to have a few swimsuits and then wear things in very high rotation and then replace and get new pieces throughout the year. And then I have these smaller boxes. I don't have a dresser drawer in my room. I prefer to have a couple of these smaller drawers that have my shorts and my tank tops and things like that. I'm also not a person that has 500 pairs of shoes. The idea of that kind of gives me palpitation. I prefer to have just a few things that I really, really love. So these are pretty much all of my shoes that I'm wearing right now. I have my heels all packed away because I have to have surgery on my foot. And a lot of my heels I can't wear right now. So I've got them all packed away until after surgery. Everything is nice and neat and covered up. And then what else do I have? Oh, regarding let me climb on up. See, I do have more, like my cocktail bags. Everything is in their little shoe bag. But things that I'm reaching for a little bit more often, I'll just go ahead and leave out. So I hope that this tour of my closet helps you as we are staying home, staying safe. Sorry about that. Staying home, staying safe, and organizing our spaces.
God bless.
Thank you, Sophia.